Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to be installing these bad boys on my Firebird. Those are clear turn signal lenses. Here's the comparison, how they look. And the reason why I'm making this video is because I was searching for a tutorial on how to install, new lenses for 4th gens, but I can only find videos about how to install them on Camaros or later model Firebirds, but not on birds that were made between 1993 and 1997. So this video goes out to my LT1 guys, and I will show you how to install those clear lenses. Before we get started, these are the only tools that you're gonna need. You gotta have a 7mm socket and also a wrench, so you can get access to those bolts. Then you're gonna screw them up, disconnect the assembly, and then take out the lens carefully out. So the first thing you gotta do is you gotta pop up the hood and admire this beautiful engine, and then you gotta pop up the headlights so you can have better access on the lens. So after you pop up the light, you should be able to access this better, but you have just this tiny space right here, and as you can see, this is the turn signal that you're going to be removing. So you also have the option to completely disassemble the headlight, but I wasn't gonna do that, so I'm just gonna stick my arm right through there and get those bolts out. So we got the old one out. It's a bit tricky, but it's out. Accidentally broke this piece, but I don't think we're gonna need this anymore. This is the side-and-side comparison to the new ones. This is the side-and-side comparison to the new ones. Can't wait to install them. So, this is how it's going out so far. The lens is installed. I also took out the bulb for the daytime running lights and put it on the side. And now we're gonna do a quick test on how they look. So everything looks good now. Now we're just gonna assemble everything back. This is also the old one, how it looks right now. I'm just gonna put it back in the back and in the box in case I gotta change these due to Swiss inspection. So we are done with this side right now. Now the other side is still remaining. It was a pretty easy job, and it just looks really fantastic. Before I continue, I just want to say that this side was absolute hell to do, and my advice is that you take this small cover off, and then you will have more access to getting the old lens out. So job's finished. They work. It was really plug and play. It was really just a 30-minute job. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.